Good morning, students. In this video, we'll learn how to convert the decimals into fractions as well as fraction into decimal. In our book, example 2.3, express the rational number 1 by 27 using the decimal expansion of 1 by 3 and hence deduce 59 by 27 in recurring decimal form. We know that 1 by 3 can be written as 0.3 bar, that is 0.333, etc. 1 by 27 can be written as using 1 by 3, 1 by 9 into 1 by 3, because we have to use 1 by 3 expansion. So using the 1 by 3, we can write 1 by 27 as 1 by 9 into 1 by 3, and 1 by 3 expansion is 0.333, etc. That is 1 by 9 into 0.33, etc. So when we simplify by cancelling 9 table, we will get this value 0.037, 037, etc. So this is the value of 1 by 27 in recurring decimal expansion. So we can write in using the bar 0.037 bar, and we have to deduce the value of 59 by 27 using 1 by 27. When we convert this into mixed fraction, 2 27s are 54. So the remainder is 5. So 2 5 by 27, and we can split as 2 plus 5 by 27, and 5 by 27 can be written as 5 into 1 by 27. Then we can use the expansion of 1 by 27. We have deduced that. So the value of 1 by 27 is 0.037 bar, and we can expand and write this 0.037, 037, 037, and when we multiply with now the number 5, we will get 0.185, 185, etc. When we add this, here we have a whole number. So just add with the whole part, whole number part. So 2 plus 0, the answer will be 2.185, 185, etc. So 59 by 27 equal to 2.185, 185, etc. Consider the example 2.4. Here, convert the following decimal numbers in the form of p by q. So we have to convert the following decimal into fraction, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. Consider the first subdivision 0.35. We can write 0.35 as 35 by 100, because after the decimal point we have 2 digits. So we can divide the 35 without decimal point by 100. Suppose you have 3 digits after decimal, we should divide by 1000, and so on. When we simplify this by 5 table, 7 5s are 35 and 20 5s are 100. So the fraction form of 0.35 is 7 by 20. Similarly 2.176. So after the decimal point, how many digits we have? 3. So we should divide by 1000 without the decimal point. And when we simplify by cancelling the numbers, we will get 272 by 125. We can cancel it by 8 table or 2 tables one by one. So finally we will get 272 by 125. And third question, minus 0.0028. So when we divide this by 10,000 and by cancelling the 7th table, we will get fourth table. We can cancel by 4th table. So the answer is minus 7 by 2500. Thank you, students.